In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a comment in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're collaborating on a project, reviewing a document, or just want to add some notes for yourself, knowing how to effectively comment on a PDF can be incredibly useful. Adobe Acrobat offers a straightforward way to do this, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you have your PDF file ready, as we'll be working directly with it. Once you have Adobe Acrobat up and running, look towards the top of the interface where you'll see a menu labeled All Tools. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options that Acrobat has to offer. Adobe has really streamlined their interface to make it easier to find exactly what you're looking for, which in this case is the commenting tool. After clicking on All Tools, navigate through the list until you find the option labeled Add Comment. You'll notice that Adobe Acrobat organizes tools by categories, which helps in quickly locating the tools you frequently use. Add Comment is usually found under the Review and Approve section. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will activate the commenting feature and open a new toolbar specifically designed for adding comments. Now that you have the commenting tool open, it's time to decide where you'd like to add your comment. You can click anywhere on the document to start typing. If there's a specific section of the text or an image you'd like to comment on, simply click near it. Adobe Acrobat allows you to be as precise as you want, which is perfect for detailed feedback or notes. Once you've clicked on the area where you want to add your comment, a text box will appear. This is where you'll type your comment. Feel free to share your thoughts, provide feedback, or add any necessary notes. The text box is fully customizable, so if you need to make any adjustments like resizing or moving it to a different spot, you can easily do so by clicking and dragging the edges of the comment box. Remember, comments in Acrobat aren't just limited to text. You can also add sticky notes, highlight text, or even draw shapes to emphasize your points. This flexibility makes the tool particularly powerful for a variety of tasks, from simple annotations to detailed project collaborations. Once you're satisfied with your comment, make sure to save your changes. It's always a good practice to save your document frequently to avoid losing any of your work. You can do this by clicking on the File menu at the top left corner and selecting Save, or simply hitting Ctrl+S on your keyboard for a quick save. And there you have it. Adding comments to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is a simple yet effective way to enhance your document interaction, whether for personal use or collaborative projects. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the process and empowered you to make the most of your PDF files. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.